Tired of losing sales because visitors can't message you directly? I've been there. Someone lands on your Namecheap site. They have a quick question, and instead of just hitting a button to ask you, they click away. Maybe they never come back. Here's the good news. You can fix that in under 5 minutes by adding Messenger chat directly to your Namecheap website. So here's the plan. We're going to open your Namecheap website builder, head into the integration section, and connect your Facebook page. Just 6 simple steps, and your visitors will be able to message you instantly. First, open your Namecheap website editor. You want to log into your Namecheap account and find the site you want to work on. Click that Edit button to open it up in the builder. This is where all the magic happens, so take a second to make sure you're looking at the right website before we dive in. Now, find and click on the Integration section. It's usually in the left-hand menu or somewhere along the top toolbar, depending on your theme. Look for the word Integrations. This is the hub where you can connect all sorts of third-party tools to your site, and it's where we're going to find exactly what we need. From the Integrations list, choose Messenger Chat. This might be listed under a social or communication category, or it might just be sitting there ready for you. Click on it. This is the specific option that lets Facebook Messenger show up on your site, and I can tell you from personal experience, this is way easier than trying to code it in yourself. Next, you'll need to sign in to your Facebook page. A new window or pop-up will appear asking you to log into Facebook. Go ahead and sign in with the account that manages the page you want to connect. Now, pay attention to this one. Make sure you're using the account that has admin access to that page. If you use a personal account that doesn't manage the page, it won't show up in the next step. After signing in, select the page you want to connect. You'll see a list of all the Facebook pages you manage. Click on the one that matches your business or brand. This is the page that people will message, so choose wisely. If you run a bakery, you don't want to accidentally link your personal travel blog. This might take a moment to process as Facebook reaches out and verifies everything. Finally, click Save to activate the chat. Look for the Save Messenger Chat button. It might be blue or green, but it should be pretty obvious. Click it, and that's it. You're done. The live chat is now active on your Namecheap website. And that's really all there is to it. You went from having no way for visitors to contact you directly to having a fully functional messenger chat that lets them message you instantly. No complicated code, no expensive plugins, just a quick connection between your Namecheap site and your Facebook page. Your visitors can now ask questions, get support, or even place orders all through a simple chat window. That is going to save you time and stop you from missing out on potential customers. Go ahead and give it a try. Your business is about to get a whole lot more connected.